Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to install a rear camera in a 2007 Chevy Suburban. So before this didn't have a rear camera. So what you have to do is you gotta remove this upper panel over here, and then you gotta drill a hole over there so where you can install your rear view camera. So here we have the rear view camera, and this is an aftermarket camera, but it'll be working with the original OEM radio. So what we have done is we have drilled a hole, and these are the cables. These are the cables for the camera, and the camera is right over there. Right over there. So what we have done, we have peeled this off, and then we have put the camera harness through that right over there. And then these are the camera cables. That go to the radio, and then we have to also give it power, and so we just use this, which is for the rear backup lights, which we use to give power to the camera. So we have peeled it off, put in this cable, which will power the camera, and after that we have taken. So then what we have done is we have gotten this harness for our camera, and we put it through this under here, inside over here, and then what we have done is we have removed this headliner part on the center, and then we have just taken the harness cable just around, not fully opening the headliner, but just tucking it in all the way through. And then after that, when you're done, just put back the cover on for your tailgate, and then everything will work as normal, and the camera will show up on your OEM radio. So as you can see, you cannot see the harness going through the headliner, and we have taken it all the way through. And then we bought the same harness over here, bring it over here, and then we just tucked it all the way through the front, and then bring it back down over there, and then back to the radio. So as you can see, the rear camera is showing over here. And then it will work when you put it in R, in normal functions. So to make the camera work in your OEM radio, you gotta use this connector, which will plug in back of your radio, and then you will need these two harnesses. You could take a look which one these two are, right over there, and then you're gonna connect these two harnesses to the rear view camera. And then it will just work as it will in an OEM car. These are the two harnesses, and if you want, you can pause it and check which one these are over here.